Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon store card. First, understand that this card is exclusively for purchases on Amazon.com and its affiliated sites. It offers a convenient way to pay for your online shopping, often coming with special financing options on eligible purchases. This means you can spread out payments over several months without interest, provided you meet the terms. It's a great tool for managing larger Amazon purchases, giving you flexibility in your budget. Making purchases with your Amazon store card is straightforward. Just select it at checkout on Amazon.com. To manage your account, you'll access the online portal, where you can view your current balance, review past statements, and track your spending. Making payments is also simple, with options for one-time payments or setting up automatic deductions from your bank account. This helps ensure you never miss a payment and maintain a good standing. Special financing is a key benefit, allowing you to defer interest on purchases over a certain amount for periods like 6, 12, or even 24 months. It's crucial to pay the full promotional balance before the period ends, or all deferred interest from the purchase date will be applied to your account. Always check the specific terms for each offer, as minimum purchase amounts typically apply, often starting around $149 for these special deals. To maximize your card's benefits, strategically use special financing for significant purchases, ensuring you pay the full amount before interest kicks in. Keep an eye out for exclusive cardholder promotions, which can offer additional savings or rewards. Always review your monthly statements carefully for accuracy and to track your spending. If you ever have questions or encounter an issue, Amazon's customer service is readily available to provide support and assistance, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.